What's up, team? Welcome back to Bullring Trading and another update of the stock market today on Wednesday, March 8th. And this is yours truly, Coach Owls, bringing you the update on SPY. There's a lot of lines on here, so let's go through it. So this chart here on SPY is one of the ways I track SPY. And these lines represent one thing. The sell signal and buy signal obviously represent something else. And this red arrow represents something. So this is another way at the bull ring that we identify when it's a good time to get in and when to get out of your trade. All right, so let's get into the weeds with SPY. So one thing that I look at and I like to teach in my courses is MACD. So when your MACD is flipping, this is what I call flipping. I like to mark the time it started flipping. See these two lines that cross. If you guys want to learn more about MACD, I'm going to leave you a link below for some free courses and you guys can go check it out. Now, when it crosses, for me, that's a good sign to enter the trade, whether you're going to short the market or you're going to buy and go long. Okay, this is the 30-minute chart, as you can see up here. And what I do is I have my line here that goes all the way from the MACD to the actual stock. And as the stock continues to move up or down, once it turns, I identify with a nice little circle that you can see here, 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 here. Okay. And these circles is just a marker for me to see where it started to flip the other way. So I'm going to take that circle off and you guys can see that SPY started to flip here. For example, February 24th. At $395, it started to move up. So we take profits here and then we enter into some shorts right in this area. Now you can see here we have a buy signal, but I have a red arrow because we are not going to enter this trade. Why? Because I don't have the MACD flipping. So the green line is not here, it's over here. So now once this happens, it's a good sign to get in. So you guys can see, okay, let me put my old circle back on. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 signals, okay? And one of the signals was no good. So we decided not to enter the trade. Now, if you're buying, okay, I'm going to make this a little bit more simple. If you guys are buying and you bought SPY right at that signal, okay, you were buying at about 393, 392, and then you stay in the trade as long as the candles stay above this line. This is my lightning, okay? And I will teach you that in the courses. What line is that? How do I add it, coach? I'll show you all that good stuff. Guys, if you jump in here, okay, 393, and then you see one candle started to cross up here at 406. That was a big move for SPY. Now, once the candles cross this line, okay, we enter a short position and we're looking at about 405, 404. And now we are here. We hit a bottom here. We hit a bottom there, 396. You could have sold here. And even if you saw this cross today, okay, which it went above the lightning, maybe you sell here, okay? But SPY is not hard to play, guys. What you need to learn is patience, 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 okay? You have to learn how to chart, mark your signals, mark your MACD, mark the entry so you understand what is going on. You saw 5 out of 6 were great entries. Here, we didn't enter because we didn't have the MACD flipping on us, okay? So if you want to learn more, I'm going to leave you guys a link so that you guys can check it out and you get some free courses. And then if you want to get into an advanced training, you guys get into an advanced training program. It's super cheap right now. Click on the link and you'll get the prices, guys. So let's take a look at another stock that we've been watching, and that is Tesla. All right, guys, so let's look at Tesla. So this is another way that you can track your stock on your watch list and learn how to enter and exit. So you'll have another strategy, whichever one works better for you. If you're a full-time employee or a full-time student, this is going to work for you. So here, now the green lines, okay, are representing not the MACD crossing, they're representing the start of the day. You see at the bottom, they all say 9:30 when the market opens up. So I like to track the stock, and I like to track the low of the day and the high of the day. So I put the stock in a box, and then you start seeing something that is very common, or you start seeing momentum. So you see the stock went down here, bounced off, came here, and then you started seeing lower highs, and then lower highs, and of course lower lows. And you can see here, if you are using TradingView, you can trade on TradingView, guys. So I opened up a short position with Tesla because I want Tesla under here. So I started the short position because we got under the lightning here, okay? And I don't think that Tesla has any more steam, but we'll see. I do have my stop loss ready because if it does go the other way, depending on news, depending on how people feel in the morning, okay, all that stuff can change the trade. But for now, you see Tesla is in a downtrend, guys. So know that this will help you, okay? Mark your boxes, okay? And then you will see when you have momentum, okay? Now you can also go when the candles go under that lightning line, okay? It's a good sign to enter. If they go above, you can enter as well. When they start turning around, it's another way. I teach this in the courses, guys. It's easy. You have to have patience. If you're a trader and you say you have patience, but you're playing on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, that's not teaching you patience. You better have a good strategy because that is fast trades and for fast traders only. This helps new and beginner traders because you're trading at a slower rate. You're trading with less stocks and less options so that you don't make mistakes. And then I teach you how to set a stop loss, guys. I also teach you the percentage of how many times you have a good trade to get into. You can see right in here, okay, signals tell you when to get in, when to get out, okay? And this is why I always say charts don't lie. All right, next we have Apple. So Apple has been in a descending wedge for a while on the 30-minute, and it played out really nice for us in the bull ring. You can see here, okay? And this is what I teach you guys in the courses too. In a wedge, we mark off about 85% of the way down, okay? That's a good area for you to say, let me measure this, and then you move this over here, and you can say, I think that Apple is going to go to about 155, 154 based off this technical analysis, guys. These are tools. They're easy to use. And what happened when Apple broke out here? It continued to go up, and we got our 155 and $1 more. So we hit 156. Okay. After that, we followed the line and we saw that Apple started going down. Perfect time to get into a short position or some options, guys. So for now, this helps a lot. If you guys are trading for the first time, you need to learn how to go slow. Okay. Apple, if you were in the bull ring, we made some nice money here because we used our technical analysis, guys. So this is a good place to be in because you understand the trend and you understand how high or how low the stock is going to go. And don't forget, guys, if you guys are enjoying these videos and finding value, please subscribe. Smash that like button and click on that little bell so you get reminders on the next time a video comes up. All right, and last but not least, guys, here is the link below. If you click on it, you'll be able to go to get a free ebook. You get free 12 shares to start out your trading journey. You're going to get a free trading room where you're going to be with some of the best traders, and you get to ask questions and share some of your watch lists that you might be trying to play, where they can help and guide you. I'll be there as well. Got a $1 deal going for you, and a few other deals here. Even Southwest, 30,000 points. They've allowed me to give you guys 30,000 points, and then where you can find us on social media. So make sure you guys take advantage of these free resources here. Click on the link below. So until the next video, guys, I hope tomorrow you guys have an amazing trading day.